interior recording. Kind of give y'all an idea. Just the catback is very mellow. If you put just the catback on and don't do the header, it's not going to be loud at all. It's not going to sound bad. I think most people would be happy with just the sound of just the catback. I did not expect the header to change